Hey guys, this is a tuner guy again. So okay, just took me like I don't know, like less than 5 minutes. I think I just put it like right now, and the difference is really huge, man. It's just so different, so tough, and like started. This is like so skinny. This headwear is pretty thin. These things I don't know what they're even meant for. Dissipating nothing because when it gets slippery, these tires are just so sucks. So WTB, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Good brand. Let's see from this side. Not too wide, you know. Not too wide. .25 versus 2.1. So not too bad, not too much resistance. I rode 2.8, 2.5, but these ones, for this kind of bike, it's light and easy. If you want to ride faster, this is the way to go. Alright guys, now just do the rest from the back. Just gonna do the rear one as well. And then just, I don't know what to do with these. Garbage. Alright. See you guys later.